Addiction treatment marketing requires a deep understanding of the unique challenges faced by those seeking help. Approaching this audience with genuine empathy and ethical responsibility is crucial, as it helps build trust and ensures that outreach efforts are both supportive and respectful. By avoiding sensationalism and maintaining credibility, marketers can truly serve vulnerable individuals in meaningful ways. More than just promoting a service, ethical addiction treatment marketing offers hope and guidance to those on the path to recovery. Campaigns that prioritize dignity and compassion help individuals feel understood and supported, while honest communication fosters lasting trust. This approach ensures that outreach efforts genuinely empower people as they navigate their journey toward healing. Building on the importance of empathy and ethical communication, LinkedIn provides a unique opportunity for addiction treatment professionals to connect and share expertise. By engaging thoughtfully on this platform, treatment centers, counselors, and advocates can strengthen their professional networks, enhance their authority, and contribute to a community dedicated to positive change in addiction recovery.